person with intellectual disabilities, ending abuse starts with sex ed. In the sex training class for grown-ups with scholarly handicaps, the material isn't diluted. The dozen ladies and men in a huge room brimming with windows and light in Casco, Maine, go up against complex issues, for example, how to separate or how you know you're in an oppressive relationship. What's more, the most troublesome of those issues is rape. Katie Park, the instructor, starts the class with an expression they've remembered: "My body is my own." Park begins as the rest participate, and I get the opportunity to choose what is ideal for me. Individuals with scholarly inabilities are sexually ambushed at a rate more than 7 times that for individuals without handicaps. NPR asked the U.S. Bureau of Justice to utilize information it had gathered, yet had not distributed, to figure that rate. At a minute when Americans are discussing rape and lewd behavior, a year-long NPR examination finds that individuals with scholarly incapacities are standout amongst the most endangered bunches in America. Since extraordinary compared to other approaches to stop rape is to enable individuals with scholarly incapacities to distinguish manhandle and to know how to build up the sound connections they need. From working with the men and ladies here, Park acknowledged they need to have connections, love and sentiment. They see their folks, kin and their companions seeing someone. They see individuals at seeing someone when they sit in front of the TV or go out to a movie theater. They need an indistinguishable things from any other person. Be that as it may, it's harder for them. When they were in school, the majority of the grown-ups in this room say they didn't get the sex ed classes different children got. Presently, simply going out on the town is troublesome. They presumably don't drive or have autos. They depend on open transportation. They don't have a ton of cash. They inhabit home with their folks or in a gathering home, where there's not a great deal of security. And after that there's the one thing that truly confuses sentiment for individuals with scholarly handicaps: those high rates of sexual mishandle. The ladies and men come to Momentum in the week for various projects. They go kayaking and biking, they go to the library and do a humanitarian effort at the neighborhood nourishment bank. There's a scope of handicap here. You can take a portion of the men and ladies, possibly somebody with Down disorder, and see they have an inability. Others, even after you converse with them, you won't not make sense of they have a scholarly handicap. Like one little lady with short, rough dull hair, streaked red. She's 22 now, however when she was 18, her boat was quite a while more seasoned. She says he was controlling. He didn't give her a chance to have a cell phone or go see her companions. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe to see our next video.